Hello guys, welcome to OctaCoder. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of JavaScript functions. Functions are the building blocks of your code and mastering the art of declaring them is crucial. In this tutorial, we will primarily focus on declaring different ways of functions, so let's dive right in. So what exactly is a function in JavaScript? A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task or set of tasks. Functions are a fundamental concept in JavaScript and are used to encapsulate and organize code, making it more modular and easier to maintain. Functions can be declared in various ways in JavaScript, and that's what we are going to explore today. I'll guide you through some essential methods of declaring functions and give you examples to help you understand each one. Let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. So this is a normal HTML file with heading and text. Okay, here I'll write JavaScript code inside script tag, or you can make it external JavaScript file as you want. Okay, now here's the exciting part. There are multiple ways to declare functions and we will see some important functions. Okay, so when we first time learn JavaScript, we all learn a simple function like write function keyword and give function name. Let's give name, say hello, and then brackets and curly braces, and inside we can write details. Let's log something, so console.log welcome to OctaCoder. Like this we all learn. And how to invoke this? You can call this function by simply using its name like say hello. Okay, save this file, open in the browser, inspect, and inside console tab here we get welcome to OctaCoder. This is the normal way of declaring functions. Let's make this side by side. Alright, so this is the simple and easy method to declare functions. Now let's move on to next method. The next method is anonymous function, and how to write it let's understand now. First tell me what is the data type of this const greet equal to hello OctaCoders. What is the data type of this? It is a string, right? How to check data types? Simply log console.log type of greet and we get string. And if I write any number, so type of greet is a number. Based on the data what we giving, it is going to define the data types of this. Okay, and if I write it true or false, then what is the data type? It is a boolean, right? But now if I write function, then what is the data type of this greet? This is the one of the specialty of JavaScript. Function is also one of the data types in JavaScript. You can assign a function to any of the variable. And now if you check the data type of this variable, it is a function. In JavaScript, you can assign functions to variable. And how to invoke this function? Just simply say greet and it will invoke. Let's log something, console.log hello I am greet function. Save it and reload browser and you will get output. And this is also anonymous function. Function don't have a name, just like we written here. Say hello is a function name, but this one don't have. This function expression can be assigned to variables and are often used for anonymous function or when you want to pass a function as an argument to another function. Okay, and this is the way to declare the function. It is always recommended to initialize the function to the variable. Okay, so let's give some comments here. This is a function declaration and this one function expression or anonymous function. And now most important function, which is arrow function. Arrow function mostly use function. How to declare it? Let's just copy this greet function, paste here, change variable name. Let's give get info and this no need now. So let's remove this console line and rename this get info. So this is we just seen. So how to write arrow function? It is very simple. Just remove this function keyword. Don't remove brackets. Keep it as it is. Okay, and after brackets and before opening curly braces, give arrow which is equal to and greater than sign. It becomes arrow function. And here let's write hello I am get info function. Okay, save this and reload browser. We get output. It is a new ECMA 6. Ways to declare function. ECMA means European Computer Manufacturer Association, ECMA. Also we call ES6 ECMA script. You must have always seen this ES5, ES6 or ES8. These are the versions and it is a ECMA script. Okay, so these arrow functions are concise way to declare functions and are commonly used for shorter functions. So that's how to declare arrow function. Okay, let's move on to next one. Next function is immediately invoke function expression, in short IIFE. IIFE is a self-invoking function that executes immediately after declaration. And how to write this? It's easy. Give brackets, open and close, give it a 2 times. Inside the first bracket, write function keyword and again brackets and then curly braces, and inside curly braces you can simply write message. So console.log hello, I am IIFE function. Okay, and this bracket is for invoke the function. It's immediately invoke, right? Okay, save this file and reload browser, and here you can see I am IIFE function logged here. Okay, so that's how to declare the IIFE function, immediately invoke function expression in JavaScript. And there are some other functions like method within an object, generator, callback function, and async function. This async function we have seen a lot of times in the previous videos in the backend project Find My Restaurant project. If you are new on OctaCoder or if you haven't watched the series, please go and check this project series. I have explained everything from scratch, like initializing project, connecting to MongoDB database on both Compass and Atlas, then creating RESTful APIs in the project. We have created like 8 to 9 RESTful APIs, and this is a great project. If you do, then you can put it in your resume and go for the interview. So check out this Find My Restaurant RESTful API project series. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tutorial. Happy coding!